coders. Today learn basic information of Python. So, what is Python? Python is a high-level programming language that use instruction to teach the computer how to perform a task. Python is easy to learn, powerful programming language. High-level language means a language which is closer to the human language, like English, is known as high-level language. Python provides an easy approach to object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming means object-oriented is approach used to write a program. Python is a free and open source language that is we can create, modify, and distribute the source code of Python scripts. It was developed by Guido van Rossum and was released in 1991. Python funds its application in various domains. Python is used to create web application used in game development, to create desktop application, each used in machine learning and data science. Data science used in data visualization and many more. Thank you. Thank you for watching.